Oh.
We're going to begin doing the three-step transformations today. But again, we haven't covered dilations. So there's not, even though you've got 2 sheets to work off of, there's not going to be a lot of problems that I'm asking you to complete. So on number 1 on page 2, or assignment number 2, I want you to cross off number 1.
Yes.
I want you to cross off number 3, and number 4, and number 5. So on this one, you're just going to complete the 2. You're going to complete number 2 and number 6. Okay, there's only 2 on this one. Go to worksheet number 3. So this one was number 2. It's got the little number 2 at the top, or B. This one is number 3 at the top. And we are not going to do again all of these. So on this one, I'm going to have you cross off problem number 2. I'm going to have you cross off number 4. And I'm going to have you cross off number 5. Okay? So on this one, you just have 1, 2, 3 problems. Okay? 1, 2, 3 problems. On the other one, you had 2 problems. So if you look at this first problem I'm having you complete, this now is 3 transformations. It's going to get busy here. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on in this little section because you're going to do a reflection, then you're going to take that and you're going to do a translation, then you're going to take that and you're going to do a rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the center, -2, -1. Okay? So there's a lot going on.
So there's a prime.
You want to make sure, yes, there's a prime figure, a prime figure, and a prime figure. When you get to the prime figure, that last one, those are the coordinates I want you to write off to the side. Okay, I want you to write off to the side the coordinates for the prime figure, that final result that you have. With that being said, if you do it in colors like this, this is actually blue highlighter, that's orange highlighter, and you highlight them that way, it will make it much easier because it will get crowded. Okay? It will get crowded. And you want to make sure that you understand where your points were for the prime figure and for the prime figure and then for the prime. Okay? 3 transformations. Any questions before we get started? Caroline, I know you weren't here yesterday. No? Okay. Go ahead and get a protractor. We still have about 13 minutes of class time. Miss Barney, if you could bring your paper up to me with a protractor, we'll work on that first one together. Okay? So Alex, if you could turn that off for me.
Let me use pen to graph. Like,
I would do pencil first.